Hello and welcome to the Bigger and Better Odd Autos. This unit came up in August this year, so I grabbed it with both hands because it's much bigger than the place I've got at home. Also managed to get a paint booth in here so I can start painting the projects we do. So let's get cracking on the first one, this lovely Mini Shorty. I managed to pick this Mini Shorty up a few years ago. It had already been done, but it was in a bit of a sorry state, so I just did a few bits and bobs, got it on the road briefly. It was good fun, but over the last 2 years it's just been sat in storage doing nothing. We've got a couple of rust patches starting on it and the body's starting to crack the other side as well. So I think we're going to rip this apart, maybe paint it a different colour, get rid of some of the chrome, refurb the wheels, and also I reckon lower this back down a bit, because when you're driving you're kind of like that, which is no good. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. And here we are with the Mini nearly ready for primer. Keith's been working his magic away and the body looks mint. We found a load of rust in the rear valance, as you can see here, so that's been cut out and repaired. There was a hole in the boot floor and a little mark in the front valance, so that's been done too. Looking at the paint, we know it was blue, underneath is pink, and then under that here, it was silver originally, this car, so we're going to put it back to silver. Also, with the big arches, we need to drill some holes to fit it, and luckily Mini Spares do a downloadable template that you basically just put on and it shows you where to cut the holes. And then on the front we download another template from Mini Spares, and that will tell us where to cut this wing and where to put the holes for the bigger front arches as well. With the wheels we're going to fit, when you turn, this is too close, so we need to take about 1 inch out of that. So that's the next job to do. Okay, the Mini has been primered. We used a high build primer which is much thicker. Some people call it a filler primer. So we've got to leave it a few days to cure fully. Keith's aerosoled this black over the top, so when we're blocking the car down, we don't go too far into the primer. We only want to sand it enough to just take this black off. We're going to block it down with a harsh 350 grit first to take out the bigger imperfections. Then we're going to guide coat it again, and then we're going to block it down with 500 to make that body silky smooth. The problem with spraying anything silver is that any imperfections in the prep work shows through really badly. We're going to two-tone the Mini as well. So we're going to paint this top bit black and the bottom bit silver just to break it up a bit so it's not just all one colour. Also, good news, we've got some new wheels. I bought some super lights with this big dish on it. They were chrome, but I don't really like chrome, so we've primered them. We're going to spray the middle black to match the top and then the outer rim silver to match the body. So let's leave this cure for a couple of days and then we'll push it out, get flat in. And that's it for part one of the Mini Shorty build. Join us next time for a bit more of this, where we finish off the paintwork and then we get to go for a burn. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and then you'll get a notification of when part two comes out. So from me, I'll say goodbye, and from Keith,
ta-ra for now.
See you again. Also, we live stream the body shop every day. So if you go to www.oddautos.com and view the workshop, you can always see what we're up to.